make me carry call you like this now?
What's happened now?
Guy, as you see me now, this evening as you dey talk now, they enter Lagos. Tomorrow morning, early morning, the first flight wey they go Germany, I don't follow and go like this.
Yeah?
But na Japa o. Me and you come to this country, they suffer. I no fit.
Now so suffer in this country. Now so.
Oh, now you dey know. Boss, any youth for Nigeria, the best thing for her na to Japa come here. Opportunities full there. If you dey work, they suffer. You go dey see your money and they Japa as you see me. Now because they be my tight man, they be my correct friend, I make me say I tell you, I beg, I don't want to hear for anybody mouth. Make just be between me and you.
So, sir, gbogbo ilẹ̀ yẹn ẹni bó ṣe tó 2 plots ní o ilẹ̀ ńlá ní o.
2 plots.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sir.
Okay, I will bring my surveyor.
Okay, sir. So, gbogbo ẹ̀ báyẹn sir, ó jẹ́ 30 million.
30 what?
30 million, sir.
I'm out of this.
No, sir. Ẹni sùúrù I don't sọ̀rọ̀ ni, we are talking now. Èló lẹ wá fẹ́ san?
I will give you 10 million.
Daddy.
Ṣé mo ṣe ń ra lẹ̀ ní I bought land everywhere. I have land in Òṣogbo, Ìbàdàn, Iléṣà, Ìkòròdú. So are you now telling me 2 plots in this kind of area? What are you saying? Omo, talk to me. Omo, kò mọ̀ pé ìgboro lèmi gan.
Yes, sir. Let me tell you. This land you see belong to my father.
Okay.
And I'm the only son, the only child, Tony. That's why torí nǹkan tó kàn ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi ló fẹ́ jẹ́ kí n ta lẹ̀. A nílẹ̀ tó kọ́ sà.
Okay. Talk to me. Lolo Feta, how much do you want to sell it?
Okay. Oda, ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe ní 20 million, sir.
If you can take 15 million, deal. Anything aside that, please.
Why?
No, you see, I don't have time for all these things you are doing now.
Sir.
Oh, God. Okay.
Try and understand what I'm saying. Ó tún ní fẹ́ǹsì omi ògbó fẹ́ǹsì ó ṣe mọ́yé iye owó tá a ná fún bóyá fẹ́ǹsì yìí mi lè parọ́ fún yín.
You see that fence sef, I will still put them down. So please, 15 million, okay? 15 million.
15 million.
Yes.
Ṣé ẹ máa sanwó instantly?
No, as soon as you bring the papers and we sign, my lawyer will be there, then we sign everything, you collect your money instant, sir. So that's it.
Okay.
All right, when you are done, come to my office, boy.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
All right, sir.
Babe. What is the meaning of all this now? I've been trying to call you since morning. You've just been standing here looking like this. What exactly is the problem?
Something bothering me.
What's that?
You know our wedding is first approaching. We have like 3 months now. And we've not bought anything. And December will soon come, everything will be increased. There is no shishi in my pocket, that's why. But I don't know, maybe you can help me to talk to your mom. If she can lend us like 1 million naira.
My mom?
Yes, I can do it. I will return it after the wedding.
But you know how that woman is.
No, you can do it.
So why you just promise to return her money after the wedding? Because I don't want a problem.
That is it. Returning the money is a very simple thing. You don't know me. I'm from Living Faith Church of Oluwa. I have people in my church. I have rich pastors. Starting from the resident pastor, Pastor Jeremiah, Pastor Praise, Pastor Mike, Pastor Adebisoye, and all the pastors. All these people, they can raise nothing less than 8 million for us.
8 million naira?
I'm telling you. So your money is a very small amount, yeah?
I will speak to her.
Hey, now we are talking.
It's very little. Consider it done.
Yes, we are talking. Oh, that's why I love you. I know you reason with me.
Mommy. What's the japa o?
Alone japa.
Daniel, of course.
Are you kidding me? You mean he has traveled out?
Daniel Kono.
He has traveled, though he's not here again.
Like seriously? Okay, maybe he has dropped my money with you, right?
Mommy, when do you expect me to get the money now? I don't have any money.
He should have dropped it with you before traveling.
He did not drop any money. I had no idea he was even going anywhere. I did not know.
Ẹ wo àǹtí mi, ẹ má worry. A máa dá ṣẹ̀ríyà fún.
Irú ṣẹ̀ríà wo ló fẹ́ dá fún? I don't like people, going around arresting people because of what will people say.
Ẹ wo kò sí wàhálà nínú yẹn, má wọrí ẹ fọkàn yín balẹ̀, akùnrin máa bá wí ni.
Yes. Ẹ káàsán.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kí lẹ ṣe bí o.
I'm the engineer in charge of this site.
Engineer bíi ti bó o, engineer bó o. Ẹ ṣe máa jẹ́ engineer lórí ilẹ̀ bó.
Oh, I don't know. One Mr. Daniel Ajabiji sold this land to us and I'm the one working on it.
Bí gbọ́.
Yes, Daniel Ajabiji. Do you know the person?
Ẹ̀jẹ̀ ló sọ̀dù kan ní pé wọ́n talẹ̀ ni.
So, wọ́n tà á.
Daniel.
What happened?
Daniel àbí kílẹ̀ pé.
Yes.
Oh, so ilẹ̀ ẹbí ló tà tó fi jápa. Bó ṣe jápa lọ ló ṣe máa jápa dà bọ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, bàtà bá tẹ̀sẹ̀ lébọ̀, bó ṣe jápa lọ ló ṣe máa jápa dà bọ̀. Mo sọ fún yín, kí lẹ̀ ń sọ fún mi, ó talẹ̀ kí ni ilẹ̀ ẹbí.
Madam, for your information, tomorrow we are starting work on this site.
Start waiting.
Yes, so we don't already know the laborers. They are coming.
Láyé lè start anything. Alẹ́ lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ kankan bíbí sẹ́ẹ̀.
Madam, that's your
Àwọn
family
ẹbí máa
business.
jókòó lórí lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ kankan sẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ ṣe máa sọ pé ó talẹ̀ ẹbí.
You
Ilé
can
ẹbí
settle
èwo.
it with Mr. Daniel.
Ó dáa mo ti gbọ́ yín. Kò sí problem. Ẹ̀yin kan máa gbé ní gbọ́, ṣe ti gbọ́.
Me?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Yo, how you doing? I'm gonna be in Colorado next week. Emma, we're in Colorado next week. What's the problem? Yeah. There's no problem. We'll meet there. Shoot here. All right. Everything is fine.
Daniel Ajabiji ọmọ Àbíkẹ́ padà lé kó lọ máa roko. Go back home and continue with farming work.
Leyin, I need to get to Nigeria now.